So I had an interesting conversation with somebody on Instagram the other day. They had asked me if we can do a chrome to color shift or hypershift. And I told them right off the bat, I'm always honest, I was like, that's just not gonna happen. We played with the whole chrome paint thing last year, and it's a very long, very expensive process. And he said, well, what's the next best thing? And I just told him the truth. The next best thing to a chrome to color hypershift or color shift would just be a very metallic silver to color hypershift. And I don't even know if that's possible. And of course, he asked to see it. And of course, because he asked to see it, I got interested and I talked to Gabe about it. And guess what Gabe's reaction was? He doesn't think it's gonna work. And it may not. So here's what we've got. The most metallic silver that we can come up with is right behind me. It's carbon silver. It's down on the M3 right now. And what we're gonna do on top of that carbon silver is ZGA hypershift, a white powder hypershift that goes from a beautiful green to a very deep blue. So starting off, of course, we're gonna be using glossy dip pearl top coat on this project. I know we always seem to use the glossy, but the matte one is awesome. We're definitely gonna bring that into circulation once in a while as well. But there's the glossy dip pearl top coat. And because this is a lighter color base, remember with the lighter color bases when using interference pearls, you wanna use more pearl. Darker, deeper base colors with interference, you wanna use less pearl. We're gonna go with 12.5 grams per gallon on this one. So in goes 12.5 grams per gallon, or 25 grams for this 1 gallon, and then we'll cut it like usual. Mixing it up, you can already see those blue highlights. There are very few, if any, other interference hypershifts that have a blue like this. Do you know of any other ones? No. ZGA is about it. This is a very saturated and actually pretty sparkly pearl. When I had this, if you guys remember all the way back when ZGA first came out on my E63 wagon, I loved the color, but to be dead honest, it was way too glittery for me. Way too glittery. So let me show you what this looks like. So you got some greens and some blues. This might be the first time ever that the mixing stick actually worked. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now remember, this entire concept rooted from a conversation about creating a chrome to color shift. So does the end result resemble a chrome to color shift? No, not at all. And we knew that going in. But what we wanted to do is create something that allowed a highly metallic silver base and the colors coming from a hypershift to both play off each other, because we've never done something like that before. Now, going in, Gabe's concern was that it was going to be difficult to get the hues of the hypershift to show up over the silver base, and he was right. We ended up having to stack 6 or 7 coats of the hypershift just to get any color at all. And the end result is subtle, but in my opinion, very interesting. We're gonna go outside right now and show you the car, and you know what to do. In the comment section below, rate this car 1 through 5. And if you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of kits to choose from, everything to help you dip your emblems, your wheels, and your whole car. I hope you guys enjoyed this project as much as I did. I will see you on the next video.